subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
LG has announced its new mid-range smartphone in Japan called LG Style 3. Talking about the specifications, the LG Style 3 features a 6.1-inch OLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution and 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset paired with Adreno 630 GPU. The device packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the LG Style 3 supports a dual camera setup on the rear, which includes a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 5MP depth sensor with f2.2 aperture. There is also an LED flash present on the rear panel along with the fingerprint sensor for authentication. At the front, there is 8MP selfie camera under the wide notch with f1.9 aperture, and it comes backed by 3500 mAh battery. Interestingly, the smartphone is dust and water resistant under IP68 certification, and it has dedicated Google Assistant button. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The LG Style 3 has been priced in Japan at 38,000 Japanese yen, and it is set to go on sale starting from June in the country in mirror black and aurora white color options. So, what do you guys think of this LG Style 3 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.